In the quaint town of Tuscany, Italy, where cypress trees stretched towards the sky and vineyards cascaded down rolling hills, two souls lived parallel lives. Alessandro Bianchi, a renowned painter, was known for his captivating portraits that seemed to capture the essence of his subjects' very souls. His art studio, nestled in the heart of Florence, was a haven for creatives seeking inspiration. Alessandro's life was one of solitude and dedication. He spent most of his days lost in his art, fueled by espresso and the whispers of his muse, Sophia. Her name was whispered among the townspeople as a myth, a fleeting apparition that would vanish into thin air whenever Alessandro attempted to capture her likeness on canvas. Sophia's existence was shrouded in mystery. Some claimed she was a ghost, a spirit born from the very essence of Tuscany itself. Others believed she was a woman, a beautiful and enigmatic figure with eyes that sparkled like the stars on a clear night. One thing was certain: Sophia had an uncanny ability to inspire Alessandro's brushstrokes, imbuing his paintings with a depth and emotion that captivated all who laid eyes on them. Meanwhile, in a small village nestled between Florence and Siena, Emilia De Luca lived a life of quiet routine. As the daughter of a local baker, she spent her days helping her mother prepare traditional Tuscan pastries and assisting her father with his daily deliveries. Emilia's heart longed for something more, but her duties as a dutiful daughter kept her anchored to the familiar rhythms of village life. One fateful evening, Alessandro received an invitation from the local art guild to participate in their annual exhibition. As he set up his easel and began to prepare for the event, Emilia's eyes met his across the crowded room. The connection was instantaneous, a spark of recognition that seemed to transcend time and space. Alessandro, captivated by Emilia's striking features and infectious smile, found himself lost in conversation with her throughout the evening. As they strolled through the galleries discussing art and life, their words flowed effortlessly, like a gentle stream meandering through the Tuscan countryside. The meet-cute was nothing short of magical. Alessandro, enchanted by Emilia's presence, accidentally knocked over his paint box, spilling vibrant colors across her dress. As he frantically apologized and helped her clean up the mess, their fingers touched, sending shivers down both their spines. As the days turned into weeks, Alessandro and Emilia grew closer, their connection deepening with each passing moment. They would take long walks through the vineyards, discussing art, philosophy, and life's great mysteries. Sophia, Alessandro's muse, began to fade into the background as Emilia's presence awakened a new kind of inspiration within him. However, not everyone was pleased with the budding relationship. Alessandro's patron, the wealthy and influential Signor Rossi, disapproved of Emilia's humble origins and deemed her unsuitable for his protégé. The pressure mounted, threatening to tear the couple apart. As tensions rose, Alessandro found himself torn between his duty as an artist and his growing feelings for Emilia. He began to question whether Sophia was merely a product of his imagination or if she truly existed. Was it possible that Emilia's presence had awakened a new kind of muse within him? The conflict reached its climax when Signor Rossi demanded that Alessandro choose between his art and his loyalty to the patronage system. Alessandro, faced with an impossible decision, realized that he could not sacrifice his love for Emilia without risking everything. In a bold move, Alessandro abandoned his commission with Signor Rossi and dedicated himself to capturing Emilia's likeness on canvas. The result was a breathtaking portrait that seemed to capture the essence of their love, a masterpiece that would change the course of his life forever. As the exhibition drew to a close, Alessandro stood before his painting, his heart swelling with emotion. He knew that he had found not only his muse, but also his soulmate in Emilia. The crowd gasped in unison as they beheld the portrait, and for a moment, time stood still. In the aftermath of the exhibition, Alessandro and Emilia's love blossomed into a beautiful, all-consuming flame. They would spend their days exploring the Tuscan countryside together, their nights lost in conversation and laughter. Sophia, the elusive muse, faded into the background as Emilia became the driving force behind Alessandro's art. As they stood before his latest masterpiece, a painting that seemed to capture the very essence of their love, Alessandro turned to Emilia and whispered, "You are my true muse, my love." And in that moment, he knew that he had found his forever home, not just in the world of art, but in the heart of the woman who had captured his soul. Epilogue: years went by, and Alessandro's paintings became renowned throughout Europe. Emilia, now his wife, stood by his side as they navigated the ups and downs of life together. Sophia, the enigmatic muse, remained a mystery, but her presence was felt in every brushstroke, every color choice. Alessandro's art continued to inspire generations, a testament to the power of love and creativity. And as he looked into Emilia's eyes, now lined with the laughter of countless years together, he knew that their love story would be etched in the annals of history forever, a masterpiece of the human heart.